Bob from Bob's Workshop. If you have daughters between the ages of 25 and 35, then you may remember 1997's movie called Anastasia. It's about the royal family during the Russian Revolution, and it even has a train sequence in it. So it's worth watching. It's worth watching for a lot of reasons, but there is a train in it, so that's a bonus. In this episode, I want to show you how I decorated a boxcar and a caboose to commemorate that movie because it's one of my family's favorites. So, here they are.
Swap meets are usually where I find basket cases for my projects. If something is $10 or less, I feel like I've gotten a bargain. But I've had good luck at trains.com lately, and it's nice not having to repair the car before I repaint it. Most of what I've purchased at trains.com has been like new, sometimes still with the original box. These two cars are not collectible, but they are in great shape, and with just a little work, I can make them a whole lot more interesting. At least interesting to me. Tell me at the end if you like them. I'm using a program called Pages on my MacBook, and I started by finding a high-resolution image of the movie's title, and then I began to draw an outline around it. This will allow me to separate the banner from the background. Little adjustments to the line take time, but when I'm done, I'll have masked off the area I want and then be able to hide the rest. At first, I wasn't sure about the dark red that I used on these two cars, but then I thought of the color in the decals, and now I actually love it. I like these so much that I'm thinking about doing another boxcar, or maybe a passenger car, or even a locomotive. I need to think about that for a while, because next week I plan on working on my layout a little bit. I ordered some epoxy, so I'm going to redo my dockside area with more realistic looking water. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.